Hello backers, we are ARROWMAX. We are proud to present the news, Smart Motion Control Mini Electric Drill, ARROWMAX SDS. With simplified design and one key controls everything future. SDS will be equipped with the unique one-gear smart control and the motion controls drilling speed, drilling on different material with ease. The OLED screen displays the drill status, gear, and battery capacity. It is equipped with a special drill bit fastening design that allows changing of bits to be simple and fast. SDS is precisely machined by CNC machine. The tolerance is less than 0.02 millimeter, so as to keep the drill head firmly fixed in the unit and ensures precision drilling. The clamp is compatible with all 2.35 millimeter bits in the market. With pop-up switch, the CNC machine aluminum storage box facilitates the storage and management of different bit accessories. Magnetized drill bit storage makes it convenient to manage. Attached with 10 pieces, highly hardened HSS bit, the bits are titanium coated and helps to improve its durability. Bit with size mark from 0.6 to 2.2 millimeters. DIY any kind of product that you like on wooden board, aluminum or soft metal surfaces with the SDS. Features on classic frosted, aluminum pen-shaped body, one key operation, smart motion control, 5-gear auto setting, continuously variable transmission, CVT, RPM from 430 to 550, durable work time up to 800 holes drilling. Equipped with 4 shadowless LED lights on the head so you will never miss anything. The SDS Pro Plus is equipped with an industrial-grade precision workbench for high accuracy, and it is convenient for users.